Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core line and Philips Ledinaire surface mounted. They can work in different applications such as offices, classrooms, corridors, and sales and reception areas. Core line offers energy savings of up to 66% compared to conventional lighting with 140 lumen watts. Ledinaire 60% with 100 lumen watts. Both families are rectangular and core line comes in two sizes. While Ledinaire offers 3400 lumen in 4000 Kelvin, core line offers up to 4300 lumen and the multi-lumen option. It also comes in two color temperatures. Core line surface mounted is flicker-free thanks to its LED driver, providing visual comfort and well-being. For low glare, you can choose the office-compliant versions. Ledinaire is not dimmable, but core line offers two dimming options, DALI and Smart Control. This means that it can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform, Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions are only available in core line. Installation is easy in both families thanks to the push-in connector. In case you look for suspended installation, core line offers a suspension kit. And as a plus, Philips core line surface mounted has the ENEC mark. Thanks for watching.